Yesterday, we learned that everything around us has a name, and you have sent very nice responses to me. And children, I pat your back for that, and I again requesting other students, those who are not sending their responses, please be active and send your work. Let us move forward. Naming words are also called nouns, and nouns can further be classified into 5 types, and these types are: number 1, common noun; number 2, proper noun; number 3, collective noun; number 4, abstract noun; and number 5 is material noun. We will do all these types one by one. First of all, I am going to take common noun and proper noun together. Let us cover this with a paper so that they do not distract our concentration. We will concentrate on these 2 nouns today, common noun and proper noun. Children, as it is clear from the title, common. Common means general, a thing which is general, and proper means specific, a thing which is particular, special, specific. So let us learn these things through some examples. I have made 2 columns here, one for common noun and second for proper noun. Now let us first try to understand what is a common noun. What is a common noun? Common noun is, again you can say, a word or a naming word that refers to a class, or you can say it refers to a group. Say, all the boys in the world, they have a common name for them, that is boy. But every boy has a specific name, and that specific name is his proper noun. Like here, boy, common noun, and let us take Shivam, Peter. These are specific names of boys. So, what is then proper noun? Proper noun is a word or a name that refers to a particular person, place or thing. Let us take up more examples to clarify the things. My second point is city. Every city, there are a lot of cities in the world, or let us say in India, and we have given these cities a common name, that is city. But if we come to its proper noun, then we will have to name that city, and here we can say any city, Guwahati, Delhi, etc. Now, teacher. Teacher is a common noun. A person who teaches you is a teacher. And when we say Mrs. Anu Sharma, now it becomes a proper noun, a specific name. Next is dog. All the dogs in this world are called dog. But if we give it a name like Pluto or Tommy, these are proper nouns for a dog. Children, one thing keep this thing in mind, one very important thing. You can see that all common nouns are beginning with a small letter, and all proper nouns are beginning with capital letters. Have you noticed this thing? It means every proper noun begins with a capital letter because it is a name. Next comes school. There are a lot of schools in the world. But if we are talking about a particular school, Kendriya Vidyalaya, it becomes specific, proper noun. Newspaper is the name of a particular class of the news where you can read the news. And if we talk about a proper noun, so name of any newspaper, the Tribune, the Times of India, or any name of the newspaper. Then comes river. River is a common noun for a water body, and if we give it a name, the Brahmaputra, it is proper noun. Then comes mountain. It can be any mountain, but if we talk about a proper name, it is Himalayas. It is a range. The Himalaya. So this is the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. Let us understand this through some more examples in sentence. My first sentence is, it is a dog, its name is Bruno. Can you identify nouns here? It is a dog is a noun, and its name is Bruno. Bruno is a noun. And what, according to the classification, dog and Bruno, dog falls in the category of common noun, and Bruno, because it is the name of the dog, so it is proper noun. My next sentence, my uncle lives in a big city. He lives in New York. Now, can you identify the nouns here? Uncle, city, New York. Now, you will be telling me where is the common noun and where is the proper noun. I will not tell you. Third sentence, there are many rivers in India. The Ganga is the longest one. Nouns in these two sentences are rivers, India, the Ganga. Three nouns are there, and again common and proper you will find out. And fourth sentence, I will tell you the answer also here in this sentence. My father's name is Mr. Rakesh Kumar. Noun in this sentence are father, Rakesh Kumar. This is common noun. This is proper noun. So children, in this way we have learnt that nouns are there, but some are common, some are proper. Proper noun always begins with the capital letter, and common nouns can be plural also. Not all, but most of them can be plural also. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.